Welcome guys. On this video, I am going to show you how to create a space and also how to manage a space. First, this is actually a space right here. Now, on this area where it has Life on X, this is a space. And when you click on it, you join the space. And now when you join the space, you are going to notice everybody right here. I actually turn off the volume. If I turn on the volume, you are going to hear people talking. So all you need to do is to click on join. There is this join button, this big button, then you start listening. Now when you start listening to them, it is going to be showing on this area. So you will hear them talk, you will hear them discuss, have their discussion and everything. And if you click on this, these are actually people that are sharing the space, and also this is being recorded. So whenever you join a space, you see everybody right there. You can actually join the conversation by clicking on this area, or maybe clipping if you want to. But then I do not want to engage in any of these, so I'm going to leave. Now let me go ahead and show you how to create your own space. Now, quick information: before you make use of a space, you need to actually have the verification badge, which I already have right here. So you need to pay for verification badge. I already showed it on the previous video, so I don't need to show it anymore. Now, to create a space, you click on this area where it has more, and then you click on create space. Now, when you click on create space, you can actually make this invite only, or you make this for everyone. Now, if you make it for everyone, people are going to see you and they'll be able to join it. And also, if you want to add this to, let's say, a community, you can select the community and add. That is if you own a community. And I do own a community, but I do not want to add it. So what do you want to talk about? Just vibe, right? And also I can decide to record this. After recording it, if you select record, when you start your live space, when you finish recording, is going to automatically be uploaded to your profile area. But I do not want to record since this is a tutorial. So I'm going to say start now. Now, when you hit start now, this is actually the steps you need to follow. I am going to do this while using the app, which is enabling the mic. Now, when you enable the mic, is obviously mean you are allowing that web browser to listen to what you are saying. So now the host is active, or rather the space is active, and you notice automatically it posted my space. So everyone following me are going to see that I'm live, and they can actually join. Just about anybody can join. And whenever I want, I can mute, and I can mute this. And then if there are more people on the space, you can actually decide to leave, remove anybody. You can see on the manage space, you can see everyone that is right there. But there is nobody on the space because obviously I do not have so many friends or followers. So, but when you stay a bit longer, you are going to notice people join you, because this is obviously public. So people are going to join you. So if you want to grow your profile, this is actually a way to grow it. And this is more like live streaming on some other platform, although X also have live streaming option. So if you want to work on space, this is space, and this is actually how you work on it. And you can also click on this three dotted area to do even more settings if there are issues. You can also enable to show CC, which is a transcribe or caption. So if you do not want, you can also go to your mic settings. If you have external mic also, you can also enable on and off, which is this particular one. And you can click on this and click on space settings to, like, say, allow only followers or only people that are invited. So there are so many things you can do on the space. And you can also expand this, which is make it bigger. It is no longer going to be docked in the sidebar or popped up in the sidebar. So, and also you can still share this your space on your homepage for your friends to see it, or you can send this to chat, or you can just copy the link and give it to somebody to help you to share this. So this, guys, is all I want to share with you. And you can also like, or rather react right here while the space is going on. And do not forget, our space is actually on. So once you are done, you can click on end if you want to end the space. And if you end this, do not forget that this was actually shared, right? So you can, like, let me go ahead and close. Although you can actually share it if you want to. But then this is actually this is my profile. and this is a space, and anybody that click on it can maybe listen to it because it's already recorded. But since I did not record it, since I did not upload the recorded or the last one, you cannot see, you can only view. But as if I was recording it and saying it, you are going to see everything that was recorded. You are going to listen to it and all. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.